Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the watch face down on a soft cloth and pry the back case open using a case opener or thin blade. This prevents damage. Once the case lip is visible, apply steady, even pressure and rotate the tool. Do not force it. You should see the movement and battery once the back pops free. Make sure to remove any small screws or retaining rings carefully and keep parts organized so reassembly is straightforward. You now locate and read the tiny code on the old cell to buy the exact match before removal. Mixing chemistries can damage the movement. Once matched, use non-magnetic tweezers to gently unclip the battery from its holder. Lift at the clip end to avoid bending contacts. After removal, inspect the contact springs and clean with a 90% isopropyl swab if there is dirt or corrosion. Then seat the new battery flat, ensuring polarity orientation matches the marked side. Once the new cell is seated, you replace any retaining parts and align the case back. Press it down evenly with a case press or by hand for screw-down models, using the correct tool to avoid warping. After reassembly, set the time and verify all functions, including chronograph resets and date change. If the watch does not start, make sure the battery is seated fully and contacts are clean. If still dead, double-check battery code and re-inspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.